The board acting on which report?
Which
report is the board acting on?
We have a number of communications. One of it.
I'm asking you a very categorical questions.
Yes, I'm saying, kindly allow me to, just in a minute. Yes.
No, I don't want those explanations. What I'm categorical is, here we have two reports.
Yes, so, okay. So
now, which report are you acting on?
We are acting on
that is actually bringing the current crisis.
We are acting on the analysis of the payroll and the reports from the authorized officers.
Now, who analyzed the payroll? You know now, you are acting on analysis of the payroll.
Yes.
And Madam Chair here is saying the board is not in charge of the payroll.
But we are in receipt of some reports. We are not in charge of
you are under oath.
Yes, I am.
And you are trying to lie to this committee.
Allow me to explain.
Because you are contradicting what your vice chair said. My question is, if you can answer my question, we end up the issue. We have two reports. Which one?
I'm saying, Chair.
No, I will not allow you that. Okay. I want you to give me which report are you acting on?
Analysis of our records, especially the payroll.
Okay, thank you.
Sir, on the fate of the defunct local government employees. And Chair, to your information and this committee, Chair, can the board tell us which criteria did you use to employ employees who just joined between 2022 to 2024 into permanent and pensionable, whereas people who joined way back 2002, 2003, 2001 were left out? What is their fate? As a board, you cannot tell me somebody who has served for over 20 years, who are employed by local government, who are unprocedurally employed. Can you tell us the fate of these people?
I think, Mogo, you are given the responsibility to respond to that point.
And justify as to why you are in a position to employ somebody for 2024 and left out people who have served this great county for the last 20 years.
Thank you, Chair. The matter of 2023, 2024, 2022, or 2020 employees, if you look at our employment records for that period, we employed technical officers like the meat inspectors, the ECD teachers, and so on and so forth. So most of
Chair is lying. Chair.
Now, honorable member.
No, he's lying to this house, Chair.
Honorable members. You now, Mogoi. And that is why it is good to be honest.
Yeah.
You are not honest.
Honorable Chair.
It is on record by Madam Nancy that since she came in as acting CEO, no employment has been done. Now you are here telling us there was such kind of employment.
Honorable Chair.
I was interjected, Chair.
Honorable Chair, please, so that we can help each other.
I want to rule that, honorable members, can you just answer to the question that was posed by Honorable Bate, and then we close the session.
The question was, you are very aware of the employees for the defunct county local government and municipal who have served this county for the last 20 years. What reason can you give to this committee that is justifiable to employ somebody in 2023 and 2024 and leave such people who have sacrificed their time and energy out of this arrangement? What happened and what is the way forward?
Chair, I think we are moving into the subject of what is in the court.
Surely?
Chair.
Honorable members, let us just bring the session to an end.
Chair, just allow me to request this, Chair.
Chair.
Before,
yes, Honorable Bridget.
Thank you so much. Vice Chair told us that 2019 she resigned, right? And she got a job, right? You resigned from TSC.
She said she retired.
Retired.
Yes.
But 2013 and 2017, she was a chief officer in tourism, Chematel regime. Is it true?
Yes.
Wow.
Thank you.
Yeah, final.
Let us proceed.
Chair.
Honorable Chair, may I ask something?
Chair, allow me.
Yes.
Chair, I see.
Honorable members, if we continue this way, we are not going to finish.
No, Chair,
Just a clarification. Just a clarification, Honorable
Okay,
Chairman.
I will allow 3 only, and we bring the session to an end.
Yeah.
Honorable Tarbey.
Yeah.
Then Honorable Bet, Silas Kogo. Then maybe we have Honorable Trufosa Pia.
We'll
the mic
finish
is on.
quickly.
So let us start with Honorable Trufosa as we come this way, please.
Thank you, Chair. My question is the one already Bridget has asked. Madam Vice Chair, 2013-2014, you were CEO as well as a TSC teacher who was in payroll. How comes that you became a CEO without you resigning? Thank you.
Chair, can I answer that one, please?
Just take the questions and then you will answer.
I think I will answer that one because it is related. It is related. The two of them are related.
Okay.
At the inception of devolution, positions were advertised in county governments. One of those positions was the one for chief officers, others was for county executive committee members. And personally, I applied for chief officer in charge of tourism, culture, and cooperatives, and I was employed. And at that time, I took leave of absence from my employer then. By the time that, and I went back, when I finished my contract in 2018, I went back and at that time I was not being paid by the TSC, I was being paid by the county government because it's the job that I had picked.
Okay. I think that issue is answered. Honorable Kogo.
Thank you, Honorable Chair. My question to the board is, who is mandated to forward the names of those who have been employed to the payroll team?
One have been made. The county service board secretary forwards the names to the CS. That is the county secretary. And the CS then does the processes from there, and I think they will better explain to you how they onboard people on the payroll.
Thank you. Honorable Tarbey.
Thank you. I had asked the CEO whether they have an official line to communicate. I just wanted to confirm if the number 0781 848494 is the official line.
Yes, it is.
So, and you have said it is domiciled with the CEO.
Yes.
So if I may ask, messages that were sent from maybe during the period May and July 2023, you are in the office?
Under legal, not as the CEO.
What are you?
Yeah, I think the members are misunderstanding me. I was assigned duties in 2021
Point of order,
up to 20.
Chair, point of order. In which criteria did you use that members are misunderstanding you?
Because
I thought we are doing judgment based on Chair.
Order, honorable
protect
member.
us.
Order, honorable member. I think maybe you should explain better so that you don't introduce terms that might...
Okay, I apologize. Let me explain again to the Honorable House. In 2021, I was assigned to be the CEO, which mandate ended in May 2022. May 2022. Since May 2022, that period, May 2022 to 2023, I was not the CEO. I came in November 2023. So between the period of May 2022 and October 2023, someone else was the CEO. It was not me.
So, and you have said that it is the role of the CEO to manage now the communication.
Yes.
So does it mean that the messages that were sent during that period was through the instruction of the CEO?
I can imagine, so I can't confirm.
And CEO only communicates messages from the resolutions of the board.
Yes.
Is that true, Vice Chair?
The function of the CEO is to communicate decisions of the board.
Decisions of the board. So any decisions that were communicated during that period were made by the board?
I don't know how the phone was used. I may not know.
Okay, I think let us. Yes.
So quickly, very quick ones. Vice Chair or maybe CEO, because I really am. I'm not able to call you, but let me just call you for now. Have you ever put any report in the county gazette?
Report of the Public Service Board. We don't have a county gazette. We are even sorry for that. We don't have a county gazette.
I'm not talking about the county owning a gazette. You even mentioned that whenever there is nothing in the county, there is. Do you gazette anything? Does the county gazette anything?
Yes.
Have you ever?
Yes, like the Nandi County Public Service Board.
So what did you wrote in which gazette?
Government printers.
And why are you taking us in record? So have you ever done any report of this body in the county gazette? Have you ever gazetted?
No.
Vice Chair, do you know that there is a requirement for that in the law?
Yes.
And let me also highlight that the reason why I'm asking this is because the mandate of this body, this committee, is to find whether there were violations of the law. Are you aware? Vice Chair, are you aware that there are requirements for gazetting reports? And the operative word is the county public service board shall publish. Are you aware?
Yes.
Have you ever? Any report?
We have done the one for.
Have you?
Yes, we have.
Can you share with this committee what you have shared? Because what you did, because we don't have time for that. Another question. Vice Chair.
Please.
Vice Chair. Are you related to the county secretary?
What do you mean by related?
Just that. Are you related? Are you relatives?
Relatives?
Is this a strange language?
Yes, because
maybe
he's
direct to the question. Do you have any relationship, and not in courts, by the way, so that we are not so that you are not misquoted? A relative. Are you in any way maybe close to the nuclear or the extended family? Are you in any way?
He's a member of the extended family of my mom.
Tell us what it is.
I think let us.
Okay, fair enough.
He has answered the question.
The final questions, the final set of questions. All of you, is there anybody who is on, which payroll are you on? Is it the county payroll or you have your own payroll? I mean the executive payroll. Are you paid together with all the other civil servants, or you are paid in your own payroll? Do you have your own payroll?
We are in the county government of Nandi.
Do you have your own payroll?
As a board, no.
So you are paid in this payroll. Are you in any other payroll?
Apart from the one for the
outside
county?
Payroll. Are you paid in any way outside payroll?
Is it that you're
I ask a
outside
question
the
to you.
IPPD or?
To you. Yes.
I am in the payroll of the
Are you
county
paid
government of
anything
Nandi.
else on any other payroll?
No.
Witness? Next witness?
No.
The other one?
No.
And you?
No.
Now, finally, do you have any relatives that you have? And when I say relatives here, I'm referring to the ones that are very close to you. It could be your nuclear family that you have employed during your period of being in these offices?
Categorically, no.
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 Final question to Nancy. Your PF number, when you moved, did it change?
No, a PF number does not change. My PF number is
So did you take along any advantages because you had been employed as a casual first and you came that way?
No.
So you entered at what grade formally in this government?
At job group P.
Directly? From
Yes,
what
through
job
an
group?
advert. It was an advertisement.
Okay. So you entered directly at job group P?
Yes. When it's an advert through the chair, even if today the national government was to advertise for a job at job group R, and I meet the minimum qualifications, I could still be engaged directly and job group R, provided I meet the qualifications.
Can the case be made that you have been very favored in this county government?
That's a false allegation.
I just asked, can it be?
I've
Can such a
answered
case?
no.
Can such a case be made?
No.
Okay.
Okay, thank you, honorable members. I think before I bring the session to an end, I will ask maybe 2 questions to all of you. Considering the happenings, do you see that public funds, public money have been lost? Vice Chair.
If the courts will determine.
Ask a question. And why should you make reference to the court and yet you are talking about sub judice? I've asked that question.